everyone! Welcome to my picnic stream. We're having a picnic today. I actually like this weather because it's not hot and we have blankets. We are going to hang out, have a picnic together, eat, snack. We have lots of good things. We have McDonald's. Lauren made me strawberry matcha cookies and I'm so excited to eat them. We also got chocolate strawberries. Really fancy charcuterie board that I don't know where we got this from, but I'm stoked. And we have like sparkling apple juice and stuff.
And also Sprite.
And Sprite. No, John's not here. I don't know where John is. Okay, what we're reading today. Jordan, do you read at all?
Where should I be?
You could be anywhere. Wherever you want. I would say that this is probably in frame. We sit here, maybe right here. I'm not sure. We can also move all of this. Where you? We can push that. Yeah. Oh, I almost broke those. Who's joining? No one. It was originally just gonna be me, and I was like, "Bro, what do you do tomorrow? You want to come have a picnic?" He's like, "Sure."
Yeah, I won't be here for the whole thing.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, but yeah, basically I'm gonna chat with you guys for a little bit, and then I'm gonna read my book. I just picked this book up. I started it yesterday, and I tried reading it, but we were at an OTV shoot. Speaking of the OTV shoot, I will tell you more about that. But yeah, we're reading Belladonna today. I am not very far into it, so we're gonna eat, hang out, and then we're gonna just read. It's
Yeah,
really
so
cozy.
be quiet, chat.
Speaking of the OTV shoot, literally everyone got hurt in different ways. Pretty sure Michael sprained his ankle. I have random blisters on my hands. My back is f***ed up. I kept spasming in the night. I don't know. No, okay. I don't know. Something happened. I kept spasming in the night. Everything is sore. Muscles I didn't even know existed. So whatever this muscle is, like next to my armpit, so sore. My forearm, I couldn't even like pump like shampoo into my hand this morning. I had to use my elbow to get shampoo. I'm like so
great
sore.
Workout.
I guess, but we basically filmed this parkour thing. I will never do parkour again. Also, Brennan, yesterday, you know how I hit that thing? I bruised. I'm bruising. This is growing ever so. Anyways, I'm bruising. Okay. And then yesterday was our parkour shoot, but we didn't even. Okay. So Cindy broke her ankle, which I still can't even fathom. Like, I don't even think, like, in my head it didn't happen, but it did. So Cindy broke her ankle, and she literally just, like, stepped off of a skateboard. And it's funny because Cindy always is like, oh, I cannot skateboard. I know I cannot skateboard. I don't skateboard. I never try, whatever. But I have a bunch of boards in the back of my car, and we were at the shoot, and we were, like, in this giant empty parking lot. So I grabbed my longboard, and everyone grabbed a skateboard. And Cindy was like, you know what? Like, I'll try it again. 5 minutes later, she's, like, fallen. But it's kind of, like, just silent. And I knew as soon as I saw Cindy on the ground, like, I was like, oh. So we ended up having, we kept, like, driving her to, like, urgent care to, like, get an x-ray. Then we drove to the ER. She broke her ankle. But she was a badass. She took, like, a jam. I'm, like, impressed with her pain tolerance. Like, the doctor's like, so what's your pain tolerance? Like, what's your pain at? She's like, a 9. And she's just so stoic. But
She also, the saddest part is that, like, she wasn't supposed to do parkour that shoot. She was just there to, like, watch and be,
a cheerleader.
a cheerleader. And she's the one who got the most injured.
Yeah. Well, she didn't even do any for either. I'm stoked about this McDonald's, though. Ranch! Life happens, though. Just gotta move on. I do feel bad. But she's taking, like, such a champ.
And luckily she has 6 nurses.
That's true. Everyone in our house is, like, caring for her. don't know if she's gonna go to Japan. I think it's really how she feels, what happens. She has to get surgery, so. This McDonald's slaps. I was so hungry.
Necessary.
Earlier, I think there was like a little dog meeting. There was like 25 dogs. They must have like a doggy little get together, but it was very cute. I've always wanted to go on a picnic. Welcome to the picnic. A picnic with McDonald's. My overalls are not mine. They're actually Sydney's. She got them in Japan last year. Holy fuck, my hands are so cold. The blanket's nice. What? When did you leave? When's your event?
It's downtown, and I think it technically starts at 7:30.
They're doing so many events for it. You can see my outfit. Hold on. The weather, it's like 60 degrees, but I actually prefer this over it being too hot because now I can have blankets. I'm wearing overalls. I felt like it was like the perfect time to wear overalls. It was like right now. Where do you shop for most of your clothes? It depends. I've been really liking Urban Outfitters lately. I like thrifting a lot. Like, I want to thrift more. John and I just went thrifting in Slow. I bought a lot of things, and I'm like, I don't know why. Okay, I think I have a weird relationship with clothing because when I buy new clothes, I almost don't want to wear them in case I ruin them, which is...
I'm the same way.
Wait, okay. So I think it's because I did not grow up with very nice things, okay? So, like, when I have a nice thing, I'm scared to, I don't know. Like, I just, like, tend to not wear them, which is a very weird conundrum. Or, for example, like, Sydney was sponsored by, like, American Eagle, and they accidentally sent her 2 packages of her, like, sponsored clothing. And she was just like, oh, do you want this? I was like, yeah. I wear those clothes so much more because I didn't pay for them, but I don't know why.
Yep.
I don't know.
When someone gives me a gift too, I'll wear it more because I don't know what the actual like value.
The value
of it
is.
Yeah.
I hate it. Like, I don't know how people wear designer clothes all the time. I can't.
I can never.
Uh-huh. I can never.
They're fun for special occasions, but yeah.
Oh. Want a chicken nugget?
Sure. I borrow some ranch.
Borrow some? Are you gonna give it back?
Yeah.
What the f*** is this, golf here? Or are they playing their own golf?
They're just playing their own rules.
It's kind of fun. What lip product? I'm currently wearing this lip stain. I love it because it is a perfect stain. In the color Lay Down? I don't know. I'm gonna read my book. I hear a dove. Hey. Alright guys, I'm gonna shut up now because I really am gonna just read. Sorry, I'm not gonna talk to you anymore. But this is gonna be like a read with me or like a study with me stream. And I hope that my company is good company. That's basically it. We're gonna listen to the birds. We can just kind of hang outside together. And I'm gonna read. If you're curious about what book I'm reading, I just started Belladonna. I don't really have an opinion of it so far. I've only read that much. I've not read much. What are you using to stream? Just my phone. I wanted to try this out, and honestly, I really like this. I would do this again. Well, actually, okay, let's read and find out, like, if this is worth doing again. I think, like, I can obviously I can do just chatting anytime, anywhere. So, but I want to specifically read and just mind my own business and have, like, a chill, we just hang out. Cheers. Have fun. I got a real book because I figured so many people on stream were probably going to be in my chat like, what are you reading? What are you reading? What are you reading? And I figured it'd be easier for me to have the hard copy so you guys could see what I'm reading and maybe answer the question yourself. Even though I fucking know people will still ask, but I thought it might work. How long have we been here? What time is it? 7:43. Two hours. Wow. I wanted to be live so much earlier, but we couldn't find signal or anything. That's so sad. I wanted to be here for like 4 hours. many dogs.
Okay, I have a whole jug in the cart. Don't worry about it. I thought he really is pretty sure.
Amanda and Lauren are here with me, but I don't want them to feel like they have to stay here, you know what I mean? You guys don't have to stay here if you don't want.
Okay, we'll leave them there.
I don't want you to feel like you must. The book is okay. I don't really know yet. I'm only on page 75, so I really just started. I don't think it's gonna be my favorite book ever, but I'm open-minded, you know? Like, it might surprise me. Maybe. I don't know yet. I'll let you know when I get there. I just don't think I'm not interested in ghosts and ghost stories and all that. Like, I'm not super, they don't really intrigue me, so. But I wanted to give it a try because people really tend to like this book. There's been a lot of bugs. I just keep blowing them off of me. Dude, my forearms are so sore. Like, I want to itch my back, but I can't even, like, I'm so sore everywhere. Ow. I can't grip anything. Or, like, I was trying to brush my hair today. I can't. I had to brush my hair by grabbing the head of my brush and not, like, the, what do you call it? The band, the handle. Yeah. You can't tell if the stream crash or if Jody's just being still. I think I can sit pretty still occasionally. Hello. Goodbye.
Would you like us to take anything?
I'm probably not gonna eat that. And if you want, yeah, I ate McDonald's, and I was so full afterwards.
Okay.
I mean, you guys can. Do you want any of it?
I'm good. Anything.
You can have anything.
Are you sure you won't eat it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Or like, if I bring it home, I'll eat it, but I don't need to eat it. Like, if you want it, please
Okay,
have
you
it.
Go on the screen. 'Cause
Huh?
You go on.
I can cover with a book. I'll go like this. If you don't.
Is there anything else you want us to grab? Like if there's, like the drinks or something, if they're too.
Yeah, you can take the drinks.
Or do you want the bugs?
I want this basket. Basket's so cute. But other than that, I don't really care for anything. I like it. You want the strawberries? They're really good.
Oh, yes.
Oh, this book's kind of heavy.
I'm gonna put your blanket here.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys want the strawberries? I don't like dark chocolate. The milk chocolate one's good though.
Oh,
Drink?
just anything to help unless you, yeah. Whatever you want us to take.
Okay. You can take this basket and these. And then I'm going to take the water. Don't worry, I got you.
I'm gonna put this in here. And second. Hold on.
The flowers are so cute.
Okay, I got it.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye, chat. Bye,
Also,
Jody.
the cookie's good.
Oh, you liked it? Okay.
What?
Wait, actually, oh wait, can I have my plate back? Wait.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, you don't have it. You have it. Sorry.
What?
No, I won't. Wait.
Well, just take your plate then.
I'll get my plate at another time. I don't want to take it if you're eating it.
I probably won't eat it today. Do you want?
Oh yeah, plug it.
Oh wait, I'm leaving. I'm literally leaving tomorrow. I hop on a flight tomorrow. So do you want your plate now?
Just leave it on the counter. I'll be back tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Jody.
Bye bye. Thank you for everything. Oh, yeah, I'm going to Washington. John and I are heading to Washington to it's my mom's birthday. So we're gonna go spend, I don't know, like 5 days in Washington. And then we leave for Korea and then Japan. So we're gonna be, really this is the kickstart to a bunch of IRL streams because the only streams I'll be getting from me are IRL streams. How safe is it for me to be here? Like at what time do I need to leave? I don't know. I'm gonna leave when like these I don't want to be the last one here, you know. Yeah, when the sun sets, maybe. Okay. When the lights turn on, the lights are already on. Like the street lights, you mean? I'll leave in like 20 minutes. How about that? That seems like a good. Yeah, probably kind of soonish. I'll leave like 20. But it seems like it got quiet, so I am gonna read for those 20 minutes. 2 hours. Wow. I wanted to be live so much earlier, but we couldn't find signal or anything. That's so sad. I wanted to be here for like 4 hours. Yeah, I'm going to Washington. John and I are heading to Washington to it's my mom's birthday. So we're gonna go spend, I don't know, like 5 days in Washington. And then we leave for Korea and then Japan. So we're gonna be, really this is the kickstart to a bunch of IRL streams because the only streams I'll be getting from me are IRL streams. How safe is it for me to be here? Like at what time do I need to leave? I don't know. like determined to at least get through halfway before I decide. I don't know. I'm not really interested in it. I also like think the main character's kind of annoying. Oh my god, it's already been 7:54. There's another group of girls having a picnic. Man, I want to make friends. Determined to make friends who don't game, so that they will drag my ass out to do IRL things. But making friends is hard. It's a cute park. My book is bad. Or it's not bad. I'm sure it does get good. I don't know. Maybe it will get good. I'm gonna pack this shit up. Well, I think making friends is hard because it's like, there's so many different, like I wouldn't necessarily want to ever go up to a stranger because, I don't know, I think the best way to make friends is like to meet people through people that you already know. But that does require to go out more. But I'm determined to go out more anyways, so. Part of me really does want to read, and then the other part of me is terrified of reading when I'm here by myself. Because you just never know your surroundings, you know? Like, I was pretty comfortable to read here when other people were with me, but I'm like, I should be a little more aware of my surroundings. I can't even squeeze my chapstick out. That's how much my forearms are sore. Ow! Yeah. Technically, I'm not alone, but not much you guys could do for me if something did happen, other than I'd end up on the news. Okay. Wine glasses. I also gotta go home and pack. Forgot, my flight is literally tomorrow. I'm heading home. I'm heading to Washington. Ow. I'm so sore. Ow. My body is in pain. It really is. Kindle. Yes, check. Check. Put that in my purse. Book. Check. Oh my god. No, we did parkour yesterday and I worked out every muscle that I've never. I also hate parkour. It's not for me. Check. Many a books. Books, check. Okay, gonna put that in the bag. Yep. Pillows, check. Key, gonna stuff all of this in the back of my car. Put it back. Actually, I'm gonna carry this, and then I'm gonna put the wine glasses. Oh my god, my thighs. Literally so sore. Well, I'm a little bummed that this stream was very short. We were supposed to actually have it at 3, but everything went wrong. So, unfortunately, that's why we're here now. I'm a little bummed. But, if anything, I'm glad that I got to try it, and now I know for next time. What did you guys think? Enjoyable? Fun? Can I put chat on this? Oops. chat. There we go. It was cozy. Very enjoyable. It's nice. Yeah, I imagine it's like white noise. Like, I really just think it's like you turn on one of those YouTube videos that are like study with me, read with me. It's like that, but live. Which I think is fun because there is a moment where like I do want to chat with stream. It's a nice in between YouTube and live stream kind of thing. So, maybe we'll do it again. It's nice out. Man, I love outside. I love listening to birds. I am indeed touching grass. It's so quiet. I like it. Like, now that everybody left for work, it's actually really quiet here. I also love having a car because I just put all this shit in the back of my car and then I have it. And I love it. I love it so much. I'm like, oh yeah, I just want to like stop, sit next to a park. I can do that. Easy peasy. I kind of want to go car camping. Like, I want to sleep in the back of my car. I'm probably gonna end relatively soon just because, or I mean, I'm down to chat with you guys. I just don't want to read when in an environment where I'm not aware of my surroundings and it's getting kind of dark. But I'm down to pack my shit up and hang out for a little longer. But I just want to be careful of my surroundings, that's all. Oh, the sprinklers over there just turned on. I swear to God, if sprinklers turn on right here, I will scream. Unaware? Did something happen? No, God no. I mean, not yet. I mean, I'm just kind of, I live like that though. I generally am very cautious of my surroundings, just in case. That's why, okay, that comment, there was a comment on my Instagram, I was like, oh my God, we followed you to Barnes & Noble. And I'm like, I'm generally very aware of my surroundings. And then the comments on my TikTok were like, wow, I can't believe she's not aware of her surroundings. I'm like, no, you don't understand. I am, which means that these people were extra secretive, which is scary. I can't open my forearms. Oh my God. Ow. Wow, I actually don't think I can open this. I'm like that sore. It like it's like a shooting pain at my forearm. I'm like, did I hurt myself? I can't grab it. Oh my God, I got it. We did a parkour shoot, and my hands have blisters from yesterday. It was all right. I don't know if I particularly loved it, but I will say the best part about being in OTB is just like, I love trying new things. I really do. Like, it puts me in environments that I'm like, I would never have done this if it weren't for OTB. So I like the experience. At least that part is fun. Okay, I'm gonna grab my charger then, since we're here. Streaming later tonight? Nope. I'm gonna go home and pack. Get my ass to Washington. life. Got a lot going on. I'm really trying not to be overwhelmed by it. Because normally I would say no to these things. But seeing family is one of those things where like, I feel like you gotta do it. Also, it's like my mom's birthday, so I want to be able to do it, but I'm like, oh my god, it's so much travel that I don't want to do it. But at the same time, I'm telling myself, okay, what is holding me back? And I'm like, well, generally, it's too much travel and I have not enough work. And I'm like, okay, my happy medium is that I will just do some IRL streams. But I'm also hoping to just enjoy IRL streams. Like, this was really enjoyable. I liked this. But this is also like, I like to do this. I think that IRL streaming, or at least from when I used to watch IRL streaming, in the meta of IRL streaming, it was kind of crazy. Like, things were kind of, like, to make things exciting, you had to do kind of crazy things, but I don't really like doing that. And such, I kind of just, like, want to take you on where I'm at. Like, I just don't want to do anything stupid. I'd rather just do whatever we do. Yeah, like, you know, I'd rather just do this. Exactly. So, oh, the lights just turned on. The park lights just turned on, at least. The street lights were on, and then the park lights just turned on. So I don't have any particular, like, plans in Korea, Japan, in terms of specific streams, but I will be streaming. At least with the, well, if service allows. I don't think we're freezing. I don't think we're effing yet. Yes, I am going to Japan. So I'm going to Korea for a week, and then I'm going to Japan for 2 weeks, I want to say. So I won't be coming back. I won't be doing a computer stream until June, like, 28th. So. Yeah, we're technically going for Masters Tokyo, but we're going for quite a bit of time prior. I'm not looking forward to it, but I know once I'm there, I'll have a good time. I don't know, something about it is stressing me out. I'm not really sure where my stress is coming from. Uh-oh. Wow, that was funny. F. Are we back? Welcome back. I don't remember what I was talking about. I think I was just saying something about Japan is stressing me out, but I'm not sure what it is. Alright, guys. I'm gonna head out. Just because it's getting kind of dark. But this was a good test. This was a good first stream. First IRL stream test kind of thing. I will probably do this again. I loved it. I'm gonna pack up and go, though. Next time I wanted to do this at 3 p.m. It really went to shit, so. But next time I do plan to do this way earlier. It's a really nice day, though. It's like really, it's nice out. All right. Thank you for watching. The next time I will see you, I don't know, maybe I'll chat with you in Washington. Maybe we'll do more phone streams. And if not in Washington, the next time you'll see me, I'll be in Korea. I'm stressed about packing. That is for sure. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day or night, whatever time it is for you. Okay. Bye-bye.